Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So it's with great grief and sadness that I bring to you this video today. And it's about Dorraine Samuels, veteran broadcaster who has died at 59 years old. Samuel passed away Tuesday afternoon after a battle with cancer. And if you guys don't remember, she actually retired after doing 40 years in broadcasting. That's 4 decades, okay? She dedicated her life to broadcasting and journalism and bringing to Jamaican people news, and it's very sad. In a statement, her longtime employer, RJR, or Gleaner Communications Group, said it was deeply saddened by Samuel's death. Dorraine had surgery in recent weeks, and we have been praying for her recovery. However, she lost her battle with cancer this afternoon, so said the conglomerate. We continue to hold her family and friends and colleagues in her prayer, the statement added. Samuels is a former long-standing anchor of TVJ Nightly News, a role she held up to January of this year. She joined RGR Radio shortly after she placed 5th in Miss World competition in 1980. She was reportedly spotted by fellow veteran broadcaster Elaine Magnus and asked to join the team. She would go on to create decades-long friendship with Magnus on morning radio. In the meantime, there have been an outpouring of tributes to Samuels on social media since her death. Cabinet Minister Dalva said it was a sad day, adding that Samuels was loved by all. His colleagues, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, said, "You know that you are a legend when everyone is sad that your leg of the race ends. Rest in peace." Naomi Francis, press secretary at the office of Prime Minister, also expressed her grief. "My heart is broken. May your beautiful soul rest with angels." Also, our Prime Minister had to say, Dorraine inspired the nation as she shared remarkable human interest stories and presented the history of Jamaica in living color. She chronicled the evolution of modern-day Jamaica with poised confidence on the nightly news, Holness said. The Prime Minister also expressed condolence to Samuel's family, friends, and the RGR Gleaner Communications Group and all members of the media fraternity. Miss Samuels was actually married to Carl Binger, who was an actor and an assistant director. He was known for his role in Longshore Drift in 2009, and sadly he died in May 8th of 2011. Okay, some of the shows that you may know Dorraine from are TVJ Nightly News, or she was hosting her own shows, one of which was Jamaica Today in the mid-morning time slot. In 2004, she brought in her news reading portfolio to television, becoming the co-anchor of TVJ Primetime News. Okay. And I'm going to read the statement from RGR Gleaner, and it said, "It's with deep sense of sadness that the immediate family and the RGR Gleaner family of the broadcasting Dorraine Samuels announced her passing. We request the respect of privacy at this time. We continue to hold her family and friends and colleagues in our prayers." So, if you're like me that used to have to watch news and sports and weather every night with my grandparents or with my grandaunt, then she was a pivotal person in your life. She actually changed my perspective on journalism and broadcasting, so I can definitely relate to her passing, and it's very sad. She did TVJ News with such poise and grace. She was one of the best to ever do it, honestly. So it's with great sadness that I report this to you today. But rest in peace. Please give the family privacy as they go through this process of grief. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.